YouTube. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys the tutorial on how to change your MacBook Pro from a SATA to a solid state drive. And I got the recovery disk right here as well. First of all, you need like a hard cardboard, and you need a T6 toolkit, torch screwdriver, and then you need like a 00 Phillips screw driver. Okay, so make sure you put your hard cardboard mat, and you just flip over your MacBook Pro. It is similar to, this is the 2011, 2012, and 2013. There are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of the 00 Phillips screws that you need to remove. Focus on that one since that one has more light over there. So it's on the corner. Make sure your cardboard it's on toward the edges, because when you put like a pressure on that, and be sure to point the screwdriver perpendicular straight down, and so you won't strip it. Okay, so make sure you press it down and just give it a little turn. And this is what the screws look like. Pretty small. Okay, and just make sure you don't lose it. So I'm gonna put it inside here, and just gonna go all the way around and remove each screw one by one. So since the screw is kind of slanted, so you don't need to perpendicular like that, so you will strip it. So be sure to perpendicular to the screw at the screw head. So a little bit slanted actually, but be sure it is pointed directly straight down. That's why people strip the head, because see how the MacBook is unibody, so it is curved, has a little curve to it. That's why. So let me try to zoom in the screw. See, if I put it in like this, straight down, it's going to strip it. Instead, tilt it a little bit, and be sure it is perpendicular to the head of the screw. Make sure you give it a little pressure, or it's going to strip the head. And they are the same size screws, so you don't need to worry about mix them up. So on toward the back where the hinge is at, okay, it is not on the curved side, so be sure to hit it straight down. Oh, so the one in the middle, it is longer, so be sure. So these two right here, those are the longer screws. toward the midsection. Oh, and on this one too. So 1, 2, 3. Those are the longer screws. So 1, 2, 3. And just pop it open. Ooh, dusty. So as you can see, it is quite dusty. So I'm gonna give a little wipe and use either a dust blower or vacuum to suck out those dust. And as you can see, that it's a lint right here, and dust over there. And this is the hard drive right here. So I'm just gonna show you guys to take it out, everything, before I clean out those dust. So this is like a bracket, mounting bracket right here to stabilize the hard drive down so it won't maneuver around. You got 2 of the Phillips block screws there. 1, 2. So I guess you don't need to unscrew all the way out, so be sure how you take it out, okay? And this is like an orange rubber feet to mount it down. And then there's a pull tab right here, a clear pull tab. Just take it out. Be sure there's a connector on the bottom. Make sure on the back right here. Make sure you disconnect it first. There's a flex cable. You gotta be careful. Don't rip it. Just make sure you take out straight, evenly. Don't wiggle too hard or you're gonna bend the pin of the connector. And then there you go. And you want to go ahead and then remove those T6 screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And be sure to take out this tab. You can remove it. It's like a stick-on. So let me show you guys real quick. So this is the brand new hard drive, SanDisk solid state. Make sure you touch the metal. Demagnetize it so you don't get static electricity. Okay. So this you gotta check out the connection. So you go like this. So I'm gonna take out those T6 screws so I can mount it correctly. So unscrew that. I'm just gonna unscrew all of them so I make it faster. And those are the same size of T6 screws. And I'll be removing this as well. Just pull out slowly. Or if you want, you could use like a hair dryer or heat gun to heat it a little bit so you can soften the glue so easy to lift up. So I'm just going to put on the middle section right here. and then just press it down. That's it. Transfer the screws onto the new hard drive. By the way, I'm doing a fresh copy. I'm going to restore the brand new using a recovery disk. Because since the old one has a latest update and it has one of the virus, so I'm going to do a fresh copy. So hopefully it's going to be faster. I know the SSD is going to make it faster, but we'll see. Alright, so all you do is just connect back the connector. Make sure you push in all the way. And make sure you go into the hole first. You see those orange holes? Those where the T6 screw is going to go in at. The dust just went down. So make sure it's slanted and match the holes to go in there. And then that's it, okay? Let me show you guys again. Okay, those are the holes right there. Those two orange holes. Make sure you match the T6 screws, and then that's it. Okay. And then now you can mount the bracket. Put it back in. Make sure those oranges matching those T6. Then screw in, and then you all set. So before I put the cover back, I'm just gonna clean it up, see how dusty it is. And around the fan, it is all dusty. So I'm gonna give it a little wipe first before I close back the cover. Alright? So thank you for watching, and hopefully you guys like this video, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell for notification. Please also share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop any comments on below. I try to do the best possible on this to show you guys and how I zoom in and zoom out, because some of the YouTubers, they did not show this correctly. So I'm making this video to give you guys a better idea and better guide. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always. Peace out, guys.